Here at O'Rourke Coach Trimmers, we're known mainly for our Ferraris, but from time to time we get involved in incredible restorations like this rare Lancia.
This 1934 Astura, bodied by Viotti of Turin, is one of only 6 to have been produced, and one of only 4 believed to survive today. The car arrived in this beautiful two-tone green, and the green theme carries throughout the car. The two-tone leather, specially produced in Turin using an original 1920s and 30s stamping press, was precisely matched to the car's exterior colours, giving the customer his desired effect. With only 6 being produced and only 4 remaining, we had to work closely with the owner, who is an authority on the marque, to piece together how this interior should have been. Each one of the 6 cars would have been trimmed differently to one another, so working with an authority on the marque made our research task far easier than it would normally have been. We at O'Rourke Coach Trimmers were delighted with the result on this project, as our reputation is built on Italian sports cars from the 1950s, 60s and 70s. So being entrusted with a car from another era was a real privilege and a delight to work on. One of the challenges on this project was using the techniques from the 30s over those we are used to working with on cars from the 50s onwards. The customer was completely satisfied with the quality of the work and the level of detail achieved. We are delighted that when this car was shown at the Zoot Concours in Belgium, it was awarded the most elegant interior. This unique Lancia goes on to join an ever-growing list of concours winners that have passed through the O'Rourke Coach Trimmers workshop.